everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be focusing on making 10 to add. Before we get into the lesson, let's go ahead and look at some vocabulary. Addends. Addends are just the numbers that are being added together. So if you have 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2 and 3 are the two numbers that are being added together. Therefore, they are called addends. Doubles. Doubles are two addends that are the same number. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 and 3 are the two numbers being added together. They are the addends. They are the same, 3 and 3, right? Therefore, they are called doubles. Count on. Start at the number and count up. So if I have 2 plus 4, I start at 2 and jump up 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. A lot of people also like to start at the bigger number and count up the smaller number. 4, 5, 6. It's the same answer. As I've mentioned before, I like to count up with my fist, but some people like to count up using a number line. A number line is a line labeled with numbers. Here is a number line. So let's say that I have 2 plus 3. Okay, I would start at 2 and jump up 3. 1, 2, 3. Where did I land? 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good work. Okay, so for this lesson, here's the big idea. We are going to make 10 to help us add. To do so, we will use a 10 frame. We know that if a 10 frame is full, just like it is here, there are 10, okay? We do not have to count each one. If we see this 10 frame full, we already know that there are 10. Here I have 6 plus 5. 6 blue plus 5 red. Now, instead of counting them each one by one, wouldn't it be so much easier if I can just move some up to make 10 and then count on? Let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to move some red to fill in my first 10 frame so that it can be full. Okay, it is now full. So now I know there are 10 in there. So I can say 10, 11. Okay, there are 11 total. That means that 6 plus 5 equals 11. 8 plus 4. 8 blue plus 4 red. Instead of counting them each one by one, let's go ahead and fill in a 10 frame and then count on from 10. Ready? So I'm going to move these up until I fill it up. Good. So I filled this up, so I just say 10 and count on. 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So all I did here was move my items around, okay? If I had 12 candies and put them in a different order, I would still have 12 candies, right? It doesn't matter if there was 8 and 4 or 10 and 2, I still have 12. 9 plus 6. So I have 9 blue plus 6 red. Let's move some red up to make a whole of 10. So I'm going to move this bottom one up. Great. Now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Very good. Okay, ready for a word problem? It says, Bill eats 8 Doritos. He eats 5 more. How many Doritos does he eat in all? So we already read our question. Let's go ahead and circle what we already know. We know that Bill eats how many Doritos? 8. Then he eats how many more? 5. 5 more. We want to know how many Doritos does he eat in all? And in all means to add. going to go ahead and do 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. So I have 8 blue dots plus 5 red dots. Let's go ahead and move some red dots up to make a whole of 10. 1, 2. It's filled up, so now I could say 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. That means that Bill ate a total of 13 Doritos. Awesome job. Okay guys, that ends today's lesson on making 10 to add. I hope that you enjoyed this video and the strategy that we used to add. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!